of July 2022. It has the light saving mode.
Yeah.
It's on Sarvikatu 6 tekis here in Jalkaranta, Lahti, Finland, with 5 floors. And the serial number is 53107, so it was Semag originally.
Yeah.
If you see also the interiors, it is Semag, of course. It was built in 1993 when I started on it. Far too early, only 23 years after. The capacity is 4 person, 305 grams. One example in this building. It will be inspected next year, 2023, but it would have been 30 years old. Of course, only one example is enough here.
Yeah. Miksi teit paikkivain, meidän teet paikkoon?
Yeah. It used to have Kone buttons originally.
Yeah.
It must have been.
Yeah.
But
I was.
can you remember that?
Yes. Yes.
So they were those regular ones. They were not those, for
Yeah.
wheelchair accessible buttons.
Yeah.
They were not those.
Yeah.
Not the TV-like ones.
Yeah.
Right. So they were just Kone.
Yeah.
But could have also been those wheelchair bit. It used to 698.
Yeah.
So, but it was the regular ones.
Yeah. That's.